Welcome to AML Classes. What is the correspondent and respondent banking? Correspondent banking and respondent banking are two interconnected terms used in the financial industry to describe relationships between banks and financial institutions. Correspondent banking. Correspondent banking refers to a banking arrangement where one bank, the correspondent bank, provides services on behalf of another bank or financial institution, the respondent bank. These services typically include facilitating cross-border transactions, managing foreign accounts, and providing access to international financial markets. Correspondent banks act as intermediaries to facilitate transactions and provide various banking services to respondent banks that do not have a presence or capabilities in certain countries or regions. Correspondent banking relationships are often established to facilitate international trade, remittances, and other cross-border financial activities. The correspondent bank, with its extensive network and expertise, acts as a link between the respondent bank and the global financial system, helping the respondent bank access services it may not have directly. Respondent banking. Respondent banking refers to the relationship between a bank or financial institution that utilizes the services of a correspondent bank. In this arrangement, the respondent bank relies on the correspondent bank's network and infrastructure to access international markets, process international transactions, and conduct business in foreign currencies. Respondent banks typically engage correspondent banks to leverage their expertise in navigating regulatory requirements, executing transactions, and managing risks associated with cross-border activities. By partnering with a correspondent bank, a respondent bank can gain access to foreign markets, establish correspondent accounts, and offer international banking services to its own customers. Overall, correspondent banking and respondent banking are essential components of the global financial system, enabling banks and financial institutions to conduct cross-border transactions, expand their reach, and provide international services to clients. These relationships help to expand their reach, access international markets, and offer a wider range of services to their customers, facilitate international trade, promote economic growth, and enhance financial inclusion on a global scale. Thanks for watching.